Kuajok communities in Tonj North County in South Sudan's Warrap state have demanded comprehensive disarmament within and beyond the county to protect youth who surrendered their weapons from those who remain armed. This follows a communal clash on Monday that killed 11 people and left over 20 critically injured. Paramount Chief Ayi Ajiakul of the new community criticized partial disarmament, which has left some communities vulnerable to raids. "I urged my youth to surrender their guns and they handed over 15, with more to come. We are working to convince them," Kuol said. The recent violence raised concerns that the declared disarmament, alongside a 6-month state of emergency, may not resolve ongoing feuds. Tonj North County Commissioner Moine Akek Moine called on youth to comply with the presidential decree, dismissing claims that their communities would become vulnerable. A thorough disarmament is needed. Last week's cattle raids happened due to partial disarmament, but state authorities are coordinating with national leadership, he said. Mr. Moine noted that one critically injured person, airlifted to Juba for treatment by South Sudan's Red Cross, succumbed to injuries, raising the death toll to 11. Warrap State's Press Secretary, Maker Mangok Kuat, affirmed the state's commitment to the presidential orders. "The orders are effective and we are implementing complete disarmament within 6 months. We urge youth who haven't surrendered their weapons to do so," Mangok said. Residents in Tonj North expressed frustration over the lack of comprehensive disarmament, particularly extending to Mayam County in Unity State, where armed youth allegedly originated last week. It remains uncertain whether the South Sudan People's Defense Forces, SSPDF, will enforce forceful disarmament if youth on both sides fail to comply. Tensions remain high in Tonj North County amid violent cattle raids with armed youth from Mayam County in Unity State, despite the imposition of the state of emergency by President Salva Kiir.
Mala medilung in the ankadelt, let that have along Tadun Kalkane. Antama mangone bidan laria, and to talk him and talk away wine. Dan in Tama. Kawara with it. I know take a mite to Tonka, can mite look a lock. No more Alan with that over. We know how to take on. Te at Toganeka Malakala, Banakanasa, Banakolang. Then Kuja to Avayatan. Mankula to Avantamangone, Dayanangatio. And no more the danga tetko gurkana bower. And I love me say your opinion about that. Okay, roll so Sudan Kelly. Only con and Tamar not going get a water to walk at Tamar. Kibana going gaka. Going to Kuma South Sudan kaka. And Noria. Kakia Mogur can all be Caribbean Moikachong. Caladian Gizano. And what am I saying 1 millet ka? We not a cake. Unity state can I junk list that Karada Kabanal. And what a money and 1 millet Kimani we the corner we done Western Equatoria ke Central Equatoria Puanaka Warrap state and no a lot of much I urban by Latin. I can't go to can I down or we can let down become a lot. Becana talk of what Tago commission and I to quarter by Queen Water. Catch a tail going to one the Bunyal. Kaji you marat can a tea in Monaco can be correct. Winnie. She can let you let know, but let on by your opinion of Balabo. A day winnie down to cocaine. A dem queer long with on take a disarmament. Oba made by a cup cotton is Kewara state. Another month that can echo weekend and all be cum with one, but not teach care, but come down. On both Kajang, but they take or only the lad Mr. Kanamogajang to rub at a pie talk. I could go and a day and take a young, he didn't know. Chalan mission where my child don't look at is a no child my child captain. Kizamo, a janago nebne a liar, to light along, Viethaman.